Welcome to Fair Tutorial. Let's make this notice board pin in SolidWorks. We are in SolidWorks now. Go to the File, New, Part. Go to the front plane, Sketch. Draw a center line. Go to the line again. Select this line. Something like this. So select like this. Okay. So select like this. Okay. Okay. And connect this line. Okay. Go to the smart dimension. Select this and this. 2.3. Okay, go to the this and this dimension is 7.8. This and this dimension is 3. The distance from this and this end is 8. Like this. Smart dimension, this and this dimension is 1.5. okay, the angle between this and this is 30. The distance from this end to this end is 1.5. okay, the distance of this portion is 3.5. the distance from this end to this end is 2. This dimension is 2.5. So we convert this construction line into a simple line like this and close and go to the display, fully defined sketch, calculate, and okay, now sketch is fully defined. Go to the feature, revolve base. Okay, select this reference line like this and close. So our notice pin board 3D model is ready. I hope you like this tutorial. Please support this channel. You will get a lot from this channel. Thank you for watching.